Ciao people, in this lecture I will explain you how to create movement for our character. First we need to create one dimensional matrix with elements. If you want to know more about one-dimensional matrix, read my books GDScript and Making Games with GDScript will explain you a lot about it. For now, this is more variables, numbers in one line. Every of this are one number. First number have position 0, second number have position 1, third position 2, 3, etc, etc. So at the sixth position we will put number 1. 0 will mean empty, 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 empty. 5 empty fields and 1 field is with a character. What this means? We have 5 empty fields and 1 is with the character. This field will be space 1, space 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now we will code some other things in our movement. So here we have movement when we click on a button, as you know this. So when you click on this field we have movement. When you click on this field we don't have movement. If we copy paste this code here and change the value of the button, we will have movement. So we can, for example, press anywhere we want and we will jump in this place. But we don't want this. We want only for our character to move one step at a time. So one step at a time. This is our goal. So we will write one condition. If space of a character is with character, this means 1, and space where we want to go, where is okay, so and the space where we want to go is unoccupied, then we can do movement. Something like this we need to create here. So if this position is position 4 is free, and if previous position is with a character, but only previous position is with a, we can move to this position. What this means? This means we can move one step at a time. One step at a time, one step at a time. So if we click here we need movement, but something is not coded right. So I think we need to change data after movement. So we are in this position, but when we go to this position we need to change data in our one-dimensional matrix. So here we need to add some data. Space number 6 is now without a character, but space. What the hell is going on here? 5 is with a character, so something is changed. And here we can also add this code, but this will be when we move here. What this means: space 5 will be without character, and space 4 will be with character. Let me test it now. One step at a time. And if we want to do something else, we can't. Only one step. We can move only one step forward. Maybe we can move backward, but no. So we can only move forward, and this is only one step. So one step. Think about this lecture and think about this one-dimensional matrix. You can also obtain my books and learn from them. Also think about making money for mastering Godot. This is expensive but very good book if you want to go this way with a Godot and GDScript. Thank you for watching this lecture. We will see in next one. Goodbye.